You wake up in the ferry bound for Albania. You do not know if the country will be open or if you will be denied access. Low season and the COVID crisis make the boat almost empty. There is little time until you arrive and little time until dawn. You took the ferry from Bari, Italy, and you are going to arrive in Durres. The sunrise is incredible from the deck of the ship. You take your time to admire the landscape. You watch the ships pass on the horizon. And suddenly, the city is in sight. You cannot stop taking pictures. It is a beautiful place. The ship finally docks in the port, and you prepare to find out if everything the Italian government said about closing Albania to travelers is true. In less time than you expect, you are on a bus to Tirana, the capital of Albania. The Italians totally lied about Albania. The country is not closed, and they do not ask you for any special requirements to enter. Arriving to Tirana, you notice how different it is from Italy or Western European countries for that matter. You rush to catch a bus to the city center to reach Milingona, the hostel where you will work as a volunteer. Now maybe you do not understand it, but at that moment you were shocked to see all those people without masks. Maybe it even caused you mistrust. The power of psychological fear imposed by the masses is powerful. After a short walk, you ring the bell of what will be your home for months, a place where you will feel like family. The first person you meet in Milingona is Christian. He's from the United States and wants to become a personal life coach. He shows you the place and tells you the rules and the tasks you must perform. Christian is an avid reader, and his heart is in the right place. He's from Wisconsin and likes to exercise and meditate. He is serious and happy, but he is just one of many people you will meet. Miguel, from Peru, speaks more than 3 languages and makes a living playing music in the streets, and earns very well. You made many friends, so many that it is difficult to count them. The last ones were Salva, Nelly, and Leire, the 3 from Spain. Perhaps it was the language that brought you together, or your personalities. Whatever it was, you appreciated. Your first adventure together was going to a shooting range. Nelly was nervous and Leire had to stay back to work at the hostel, but it was an experience that started your friendship. Nelly wants to be a doctor. She is a vegetarian and cares about the environment, just like Leire. Salva wants to be a teacher. He is responsible and honest. Nelly and Leire are young. They are 18 years old, and they come from a different generation, with different concerns and ways of seeing life. Weapons are not something that attracts them. Curiously, Nelly was the one with the best aim. With Nelly and Leire, you travel on more than one occasion. Curiously, perhaps their youth inspired you to be a better person, to trust more, to be more cheerful. In Albania, you made friends, but you also learn about the country walking the streets of Tirana. You will remember that other time.